Hello everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate and today I want to talk to you about a very special feature that I use a lot on this platform, and it's called Mentioned, and this will help you stay way more organized and on top of everything. Let's get started. So we're gonna go to any project, and I want to give you a little example of how we can use the mention feature. This works, let's say that we're creating an article and this is very important information, and here we're going to put our content, and we know that this is a very important information for some people in particular in this project, so we can actually give them a double alert and mention them. What we do is we put add, and immediately we have the list of everybody participating in this project. So you just select the people that are relevant to this article and need that extra notification. I'm gonna select these two, and then once I click post, they will get an extra notification that they have been mentioned in this post. That way they can go directly to it and not miss out on this important information that I want to share with them. The same works for comments, so it's the same process. Once you want to comment something directly to a person, let's say, Diana, I want you to take a look at this. She will get a notification and we can go directly to this post that I'm directing her. Or I can mention Henry, who was the creator of this task, and tell him, Henry, the work has been done, and upload the file that I just finished, or whatever it is that it has to do with this workflow. Also, the way to, if you want to see the list of every single task, article, event where your name has been mentioned in, and also the comments that you have been mentioned in, we just go to the sidebar menu and click on the view menu under mentioned. And as you can see, all of my mentions will appear to me here. That way, the first thing that I do in the morning is I go to my mention section and make sure that I view every single thing that is assigned to me, that I've been mentioned at, or I should pay extra attention to. But also, if you need another extra alert, you can actually set your notifications to alert you every time that somebody mentions you. We do this by going to our settings, we click on notifications, and then under email, we have this option activated. So every time that someone mentions me, I will additionally get an email alerting me of this mention that I should be paying extra attention to. And that way I don't lose out on any important events, information, or tasks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one too. Bye bye.